shadows creep while you and me repeat this bittersweet heat.
Let's see. Oh, look at what the heck he did. Oh, look. Hala. What did he do? Hala. Did you see that? Hala. What the f is this? Hala, guys. Hala, this is a birthday card. Hala, what is this? Honey! Han! What is this? It's printing. What is this? What is that? You sure? What is this? I can't excited, but I don't want too much excitement. What is that?
Come on, you already looked at me. You can't.
No, I didn't. I said, no, I didn't. I just like, Han, what is that? No, I said no. What I saw is this one. Oh, Han, why you do this, Han? Oh, look, guys, look. Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. That's why it takes forever. So this is for me?
No.
Open up, find out.
Oh my god, I want to see the card. And he got me a card, guys! What is this? A birthday and an anniversary?
Yes.
We're not gonna go to dinner.
Yes, we are.
Because you spent on this already. Guys, look! I get so excited, oh my god! But the card first. Look at it. Did you see my face, guys? Did you see this face? So happy. Thank you, big boy. What is that, guys? Did you see? Did you hear that? Han, I don't have nothing for you. Han,
What?
I don't have nothing for you.
Making too much noise.
I make too much noise. He knows it already. Now he just have to see it.
I told you I knew what you wanted.
No, but I want the dinner. So now we can't go to dinner.
Oh no.
Look, even the dog are curious why I make too much noise here. Thanks, Han. It's a nice card, B-boy. Always the best. Thank you. This one is material thing. Oh my god! Look, guys, my favorite color, guys. Gold. Gold? Rose gold. Oh my god. Why is it open? Did you open it? Huh? Wait. Han, where is this, Han?
What?
Is this new or used?
No, I had the guy put the case on it and put the glass on it.
And my number is here?
So your other phone's not working. What? Did you not get that?
No, I don't. I texted you. What is this? What phone is this? Han. Oh my god! Hello, hello, honey. Hello, honey. Thank you, Roxy. Honey, thank you, big boy. Han, thank you, Han.
I didn't have it in the 128, so I had to go down to 32 or go up to 256.
It's okay. I don't really use it for any picture anyway.
256.
Huh? 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 It's 256? So now what?
Got a lot of memory.
No, but the price is it's higher. Oh, gee. Ding! But the guys already look at it. But look at this thing, guys. The same thing where you charge your phone. This is the only thing that. But it's amazing. Thank you, Han. Thank you so much. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Thank you, big boy. I appreciate it so much, Han. I do.
Yeah, don't break the book.
Taxi!
Did I break it? And now I don't want to connect it to my
It
phone.
won't work in the in your other cases
Mm-hmm.
because it got the dual camera on the other side.
Oh, it's right here.
It's
Dual.
a dual camera.
Oh, thank you for taking the case also. That's why I'm curious why you take this. You never
I
give me
got
a
the
case.
clear case because you wanted that color phone, so this way you can see the color you got.
Yeah. Thank you, big boy. I appreciate it so much, Han. Thank you. It's a really good surprise. That's why I really thought it takes forever. Remember, guys, told you it takes forever in the store in the thing.
It was pretty quick.
And he put-
didn't have the 128.
And he put
Not in
also.
rose gold. No, she wants rose gold.
And then where did you get the? Why do you have a rose gold then?
She said, well, it's going to cost you more if you want rose gold.
Really?
Because he only had the high memory or the low memory. Yeah, this you have to go online and register it, and then
For?
if the glass ever breaks, as long as you're on the phone, they send you a new one. And for the money they charge for that glass, go online and register it.
Oh, the glass for the cover, the cake.
Yeah, it's the glass cover.
Is that a glass?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, it's very thick.
yeah. It's guaranteed for as long as you're on the phone. I need a receipt though. I'll go too much, bro. Every month. Me too.
Thank you so much. Happy anniversary.
No one compares. You stand alone.